So I wanted to do a little video real quick. I found this in the side of the road. I was garage sailing, doing citywide garage sales. Everybody puts out little boxes at the end of the road and it says free. Well, I come upon this. This is something that was free. I enjoy these. I collect these little kits, and I do enjoy them. I've never seen one like this. This is a Musselman. It's like the applesauce first aid kitchen kit by Pet Incorporated and Johnson & Johnson. You have to say this is pretty old. It looks pretty vintage. But I figured I'd do a quick video on it because I don't usually get these complete. Usually it's just an empty case. But this one actually appears to be just the way it was, brand new. So first we'll go over the paperwork. Here's your first aid guide. Common emergencies, stuff like that. Minor injuries, broken bones, yada, yada, yada. All right. Breathing shock. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Johnson & Johnson. Okay. This is really cool. This, I'm going to zoom out a little bit, but this is like an original advertisement for it. And, yeah, I've never seen this. I'm all frame this. This is going to go on my wall in my bathroom. But I actually have this kit in my office. And as you see down there, it says Musselman's Kitchen Offer Kit. Kind of crazy. Kind of cool. But how could you throw this away? Here's your original Band-Aids. Let me tell you, this smells just like Band-Aids fresh from the store. Like, you ever open a pack of Band-Aids and it's got that Band-Aidy smell? Yeah. Whew. I think it's just adhesive tape. Like, I don't think this was ever used. We got the Tylenol. They're in there. I'm not going to open it. Sorry for my dirty hands. Been going through some stuff. It's in there. Well, this one's open, so. Oh, no, it's not open, so we're not going to open it. This is really cool. Another gauze. 2 gauzes. We got the antiseptic pre-moistened towelette. Shear strips, Band-Aid shear strips. Oop, about dropped them. Little guys, and then we got plastic strip. More of them towelettes. More towelettes. A plastic strip. Some scissors made in the USA. They don't feel the greatest, but I'm sure it was just to cut the tape or the gauze. A couple sterile pads. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm not sure if that's everything that was in there, but if not, it's pretty close. This is one of the most complete kits I've ever gotten. Now we just got to get it all back in here. That was there. But this will go in my personal collection. And this will get framed. Oh, see, I never can get it in there. What do we do wrong? Perfect. And that concludes the video for the Musselman's Kitchen Aid First Aid Kit by Johnson & Johnson and Pete Incorporated. Now, I'm out here in Wisconsin, and I know I've seen this name before. If anybody could tell me what this name is for, let me know. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.